Hello and welcome to this quick presentation of SynergySoft and Altus CCM integration. What I will show you today is how documents or records are created from SynergySoft in Altus CCM. And I'm using the HR module, the personnel details, but the functionality is the same in every module of SynergySoft. So let's open one of these personnel detail records, and what it does is give us this link to create an ECM cover sheet. Clicking on it pops up a little portal for us. So we've got to key in some mandatory and descriptive metadata, and I'll just quickly select some of that data. These drop-down lists are configurable for each site. Internal correspondent, I will quickly find one for us. And I'm sure a lot of this functionality is already familiar to you. And I will select that. Now, by default, the logged in user becomes the owner of the record. You can change that to nominate another person to be the owner of the record being created in Altus CCM, as well as the manager. So one of the bit of metadata information is the folder. Now, these folders they have to exist in Altus CCM before we can select it, and that might be a lesson for another time. The only thing left now is to attach a document, whether it be an Excel spreadsheet or whatever. In this case, I'll just use a PDF file, a sample PDF file, and I save. If I save that document, it tells me that I'm missing something. Summary, I'll give it a bit of a description. It will prompt if any mandatory metadata is missing. So now if I save, it will tell me that there is a record created in Altus ECM, and do I wish to review the cover sheet now? I will select no, and I'll show you why. We'll switch over to Altus ECM and actually find that record sitting on my home page. So now, if I switch over, and I'll go to my home page, there it is there. This is the document that was just created, and you'll see the title test doc and that reference number that was prompted during the creation. My user ID is the owner, and Caitlin is the manager of the record. Then the folder where the document or the record is classified into, and at the bottom there's the attached PDF file which we can view, and you can ignore the junk in the PDF file, but the key point is the fact that you can view that document. Now, what also happens is that the related apps window gives us links back to the source, which is the personnel module in SynergySoft with a reference ID. Now, if I click on that link and switch over back to SynergySoft, what it will do is take us back to the source where that personnel ID was created. So the links back, and now you've just seen that little flash. The record has also been updated with the link from Altus ECM. So now clicking on that will open this record, and vice versa. While we're in Altus ECM, you can click on that to link back to the SynergySoft record. So that's how the integration, what we call comparable integration, works with every module in Altus ECM. So hopefully that's actually shown you a quick demo of how it functions. The configuration will be done by IT Vision staff. So thank you very much, and appreciate your time.